Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the recess cover, display enclosure, and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the Pogo board ZIF connector and disconnect the Pogo board ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the Pogo board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the display panel assembly. Important: make careful note of the routing of the Pogo board ribbon cable for later replacement. Carefully remove the Pogo board from the adhesive that secures it to the display panel enclosure. Place the Pogo board into a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the Pogo board from the static dissipative bag. Place the Pogo board into position and gently apply pressure to adhere it to the display panel assembly. Insert the Pogo board ribbon cable into the Pogo board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Apply pressure to the length of the Pogo board ribbon cable to adhere it to the display panel assembly.